How to access Telegram cloud storage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access your Telegram cloud storage. So it's quick and super easy. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply select any chat and inside the chat simply tap on the paperclip icon, and when you tap on it you will see the option to select file. So simply tap on file and this will take you to the cloud storage on Telegram. Now from here you will be able to send and receive files of any type up to 2 GB in size. These files can be accessed across any of your devices. And if you want to update your cloud storage, you simply need to go back to the settings tab by tapping on the three dash icon in the top left corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu simply tap on settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Telegram Premium. Now here with the Telegram Premium you will get unlimited cloud storage and the ability to send files up to 4 GB per document. Telegram Premium is available for $36 or $4.99 per month. And that's it. Now you know how to access and upgrade your Telegram cloud storage. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.